The wait is finally over. Here we have the first official unboxing video and the official first look of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A user known as Tasty Orange on platform X has shared the brief unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring the device in 3 different colors. In this video, we see that the person is unboxing and what looks like a store. So it appears that the S24 has arrived at store and the preparation for retail sale is going, and the employer wanted to showcase these devices. Earlier, a TikTok user managed to obtain the Galaxy S24 Ultra model in titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. The packaging mirror is that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the video only reveals the startup screen. Nevertheless, the information is welcome at this stage. The video provides a clear view of the design, indicating again that Samsung has moved from a curved screen to the flat one. This shows the Galaxy S24 Ultra featuring a flat display. The video also supports previous speculation that the speaker grill of the S24 Ultra would have a single cut. In comparison, the bottom speaker of the S23 Ultra has 6 holes. One noticeable alteration seen in the video is the design of the S Pen for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will have a flat bottom instead of the round one. Previous rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will universally use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor regardless of the purchase location. Additionally, it is expected to include a newly designed 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, potentially outperforming current leading camera phones. Along with details about pre-ordering, the Galaxy S24 has surfaced before the Unpacked 2024 event. Samsung is offering a reservation option for the Galaxy S24 series, which will include a $50 discount. It's important to note that this reservation program is different from pre-ordering. The new flagship model are expected to be available for pre-order starting January 17. During the Unpacked event, and details about the pre-ordering bonus in certain markets have already been leaked. Based on leaks detail, customers who pre-order the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus or Ultra in certain regions such as Korea, as reported by user on X, will receive a complimentary memory upgrade. Pre-order offers for the Galaxy S24 series will allow buyers to get higher storage models at a lower price. Specifically, customer can pre-order the 256GB model for the price of 128GB, 512GB for the cost of 256, and 1TB model at the price of 512GB variant. In certain markets like Austria, the offer of free memory upgrade to 1TB for the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be restricted to limited number of units, as reported by Renault Quadrant on X. It's possible that each participating retailer will only have around 2,000 units of 1TB Galaxy S24 Ultra available for the memory upgrade. Promotion in Korea, those pre-ordering any model of the Galaxy S24 series are expected to receive several peaks of perks, including those 1 year of Samsung Care Plus warranty, a pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro wireless earbuds, and additionally in UK, as per the leaked Renault Quadrant information, certain retailers and operations are planning to offer the Galaxy Watch 6 for free with the pre-order. This bonus seems to be applied all models of the Galaxy S24 series, not just the more expensive S24 Plus or S24 Ultra. Overall, the pre-order bonuses for the Galaxy S24 series are set to be vary by market depending upon the location. Customer might receive from earbuds, a watch, Samsung Care Plus coverage, or other accessories with their pre-order.